In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames or borders to your videos in CapCut. First, open CapCut and bring in the video you want to style with a frame. Add it to your project so it appears on the timeline. This will be the main footage you're enhancing. Next, you'll add a background that will become the border. Choose a background color or image. A solid white background is a classic, clean choice that works well with most videos. Place that background on the timeline and make sure your video clip is on a track above it. If you can't see the background yet, don't worry. That's expected until we shape it into a frame. Now, click to select the background layer itself. With the background highlighted, open the mask tools and choose the rectangle mask. You'll see adjustable handles appear around the rectangle. This is where the frame comes to life. Drag the edges of the rectangle to define the exact thickness of your border around the video. The idea is to let just enough of the background peek out from behind your clip, forming a clean, even frame. A thinner border feels subtle and modern, while a thicker one creates a bold poster-style look. Take your time to center the rectangle so the spacing looks consistent on all sides. If the border isn't visible yet, expand the rectangle outward until the background shows evenly around your video. For a smoother, more polished edge, you can gently increase the feather setting inside the mask controls. A light feather adds softness without making the border look fuzzy. Keep it subtle so the frame stays crisp. Because the background determines the border color, you can quickly change the look by switching to a different background color before masking, like black for a cinematic feel or a brand color for consistency. If you're working with vertical clips or different aspect ratios, make sure the rectangle follows the shape of your canvas so the border stays uniform from top to bottom and left to right. Zooming in on the preview while adjusting the mask can help with